Okay, let's work with this calendar and see what happens. Let's say the names of the days of the month. Okay, so this one is not one, it's first, exactly. It's October 1st. Okay, and then it's October
Second.
2nd, correct? October
Third.
3rd, the 8th, 9th, say it out loud, right? The 10th,
And
10th, and the 11th, and so on. Let's go to the last ones, because those were the ones we discussed, the 30th. First. Once this is over, I mean, there are no more rules than that. This applies to every month, so it's easier to understand. Okay, let's go with a quick exercise. Already. Tell me the number of a Sunday in this month of October. Sunday, October what? October 1st. Okay, great. And Pedro Pablo, tell me the number, the ordinal of a Monday.
Monday, 9th.
Great, excellent. That's the perfect sound. Perfect. Daniel, tell me a Tuesday. Tuesday, what?
10th.
10th. Great. 10th. Excellent. That's the sound. 10th. Go ahead. Fine. Select a Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday, 11th.
11th. Excellent. You have great students. Thank you for letting me borrow them. They are excellent students. Very good. Okay. So in the next exercise, we have to understand the difference when we are telling days or times. This is very confusing. If you don't study English formally, you will have to learn from experience. And as I told you, there are many cases, there are no rules usually. In this case, there are rules. So let's learn the prepositions of time. The first one is questions, because you need to understand when things are going to happen. And this is the proper way of asking and answering. When is the party and when are the tests? Why is it different? Singular word. Excellent. So when is the party? It's at 8 o'clock. Repeat with me. When is the party?
It's
It's at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay.
8.
When are the tests?
When are the tests?
Yes, the final S is difficult. They are or they're in the morning,
There in the morning.
which is not very specific, right? In the morning, I don't know when it's in the morning. Okay, you want to arrive to the exam, if they just tell you it's in the morning. I don't know what time, but it's in the morning. Okay, so then we have to be more precise. The prepositions of time: at night, at noon, at 9:30 p.m. Which is more useful, right? Because you don't want to know that the tests are in the morning. No, they are at 8 a.m. At. So in this case, we are going to use at. This is different. This is not so specific. So it's in 2019. Repeat after me. In 2019.
In May.
In May.
In the morning.
In the morning, in the afternoon, it's not like 5. It's in the morning. It's in the evening.
Evening.
Okay, let's go with this case. On Sunday,
On Sunday.
on May 10,
On May 10th.
on Tuesday, May the 12th.
On Tuesday, May the 12th.
Okay, and then we can talk about ranges of time. So from 8 to 9 p.m. Or we can say from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
It's 12, right?
May 12. May 12. I made a mistake. It's 12. It's using 12.
Sure.
Because when it's a proper ordinal, they will add the th. 12 th.
12.
That's 12. In this case, they are saying May 12th. And it's correct. In this case. Okay, for March to April.
From March to April.
So I hope you can see the difference. In this case, some prepositions of time at night, in 2019, on Sunday, or from 8 to 9 p.m. Okay? So this is important, and this is not just pronunciation, this is grammar. Okay? So this is the right way of handling questions and answering them with prepositions of time. Let's do a quick exercise. I want you to write 5 sentences asking and answering. Okay? So the structure is you ask someone when is something going to occur, and you have to write the answer. So you have to write the pair of question and answer using these examples of grammar when you were discussing times in general or specific times or intervals of time. Try to have an example of each. Okay? So let's make it 4. Only 4 examples. We need to select one each in this table. Ask the question and then write the answer, okay? And then you'll read it out loud. Yes. You'll write 4 examples. Try to ask the question. Notice that the writers of the book didn't ask about the exam. They asked about a party. It's fine. It's fine. So select any event you would like to ask people. Try to select some of the examples that are not here. For instance, if you want to go somewhere, you may want to ask about the train or the plane when it doesn't depart. I know we haven't covered that yet, but it's the first case you are going to need to ask someone about a specific time. So if you give me an example and you are not so sure about how to ask the question, don't worry. The important part is the answer, because they will tell you so you don't miss the plane or miss the train or miss the test. So try to think of different questions. I mean, can we hear the first example you have?
Yes. When is the concert? The concert is at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Great. Mana is going to be here, you know? No, the 3 de marzo, yes. Mana is going to be here on November 29th. So try to schedule that.
Yes.
Would someone like to share another example? You have another one?
When are the playoffs? From June to August?
Great, excellent. The playoffs, great. Are you a baseball fan?
Basketball.
Basketball, okay. Basketball, great. Pedro Pablo, would you like to share an example?
When is the English class? This is today, 8 o'clock.
Great. Today, so today, you combine 2 elements, which is great. We didn't see that in an example, but it's perfect. Okay, excellent example. Arely, would you like to share an example with us?
When is the class? It's at 7 o'clock.
Okay, I like that you are using it is at. It's great. It's a great structure. It's a proper answer because you are referring to the element you are asking about. In this case, the class. It is at 9. Okay, I don't know if you can imagine confusion after this answer. 8 o'clock. Would people be confused? What would they ask? Imagine it's 7 a.m.
PM.
and they tell you it's 8 o'clock, a.m. or p.m. That's a proper follow-up question. It's nice. It could happen. Okay, great.